Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to extract text using search-based field, macros, and regex with PDF.co document parser template editor. We will use this sample PDF in this demo. Let's begin. First, log into your PDF.co account. On your PDF.co dashboard, click on the document parser menu and click the New Template button. Now, let's load the source file. In this file, we will extract a line limited. So, let's start by clicking on the Add Object button and select Add Field from Text Search. In the Expression field, type in build2. And click on Insert Macro button. Next, select Spaces. The engine will now look for the word build2. Let's insert another macro and select Sentence with single spaces. This time the engine will look for the pattern build2. We will wrap the sentence with single spaces macro inside the parentheses. Everything inside the parentheses will be captured and displayed as a result when the regex is enabled. Then, click on the Test Object button to see the result. Here's the extracted text output. We've got a lot of video tutorials. You may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.